Let's face it, inflation is eating your money alive. And if you're already asking where to invest your money to beat inflation, especially as a beginner, you're thinking ahead of the crowd. In just over 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly where to put your money so it grows instead of shrinking, even in this economy. Part 1. High-yield savings not equal to winning. Most people think saving is enough. It's not. If your bank gives you 5% interest, but inflation is 18%, you're losing money quietly every month. Instead, look into 1. Money market mutual funds via Cowrywise, PiggyVest, or RiseVest. 2. Treasury bills or government bonds. These won't make you rich, but they slow the bleeding while you build smarter moves. Part 2. Index funds. Long-term firepower. Want to actually grow your money? You can't ignore the stock market, but don't pick random stocks. Start with index funds. Think of S&P 500 or NASDAQ 100, top-performing baskets of reliable companies. They've beaten inflation for decades, and yes, from Nigeria or anywhere, you can start with platforms like Bamboo, Trove, or Shaka. Automate small monthly deposits. It compounds faster than waiting until you have enough. Part 3. Dollar-based assets. Stop bleeding value. If your local currency is losing strength, your savings are melting. So get exposure to dollar-backed investments like 1. Dollar savings or fixed USD plans, RiseVest, Bamboo. 2. Foreign ETFs. 3. Stable coins like USDC, not meme coins. Think stability, not speculation. It's not about hype, it's about preserving your value. Part 4. Real assets. Tangible inflation protection. The wealthy always buy real stuff, because when prices go up, so does the value of what they own. Explore 1. Land or buy-to-rent real estate. 2. Agricultural investments with verified returns. 3. Crowd-funded real estate or REITs, like Fundrise or Corium. Even a small land purchase in a growing Nigerian suburb can outpace inflation. Where should you start from? Start where you understand, but don't stay there. Learn, test, automate, diversify, and grow. Investing during inflation isn't panic, it's strategy. Now you know where to invest your money to beat inflation. But don't stop here. Subscribe to Ellent Finance for weekly smart money videos that make investing and budgeting simple, even if you're just starting out. Drop a comment. Where are you investing right now, or planning to? Let's share, grow, and win together.